right, for this next task, I've invited my nephew here, Eli, to help me out. To start out, remember that box that your kit came in? Go ahead and open that up completely. We're gonna use this to help us in the tie-dye process. Go ahead and set that aside. Next, we're gonna take our t-shirts.
Wet down the t-shirts before you begin. This helps the dye disperse more evenly. The shirt should be damp, but not sopping wet.
We're going to take that t-shirt, put it face down, and then take a point on the t-shirt and begin to twist. This is going to create that traditional swirly tie-dye pattern that's really great and pops with all the color. What do you think? Does it look good? All right, next we're going to take it and put it on the box. Right here. And then I'm gonna do the same to my t-shirt. I'm gonna take a piece of newsprint, fold it in half, and put the shirt on there. All right, now we are ready to tie-dye. Go ahead and set your dyes out, and with a paintbrush, dip your paintbrush into the dye, and then follow the swirls. Be as generous as you'd like with this dye. All right, so I'm gonna show you my quick and easy way on how to flip the shirt over so that you can continue your tie-dye design on the opposite side. So I put mine on a piece of newsprint, so I'm just gonna fold that newsprint over and flip it so that I can finish tie-dyeing on the other side. And flip. Ta-da! Eli's is gonna be just as easy to do because we're using that box to contain the mess, but also make it easy to flip.
Now it's time to tie-dye the other side of the t-shirt. Feel free to open up the shirt a little bit to get in all those folds, nooks, and crannies.
Eli, that looks great! Are you all done? Okay, so what we're gonna do next is we're gonna leave these to dry completely. After they're dry, we're going to put them in the washing machine without any other laundry, just our tie-dye items. You wash on cold with any normal detergent will do. Next, you can put them in the dryer or a line dry. From then on, your tie-dye items are easy to care for. Just wash as you normally would with like colors and put them in the dryer or line dry. All right, ready to finish up? Easy, high five.
We hope you had a blast tie-dyeing, and we cannot wait to see how your shirts turned out. Questions? Feel free to reach out through our website, Instagram, or Facebook. Thank you so much for joining us, and until next time, keep cozy and stay curious.